Good morning. Happy Tuesday. So this is Max. I had some requests to see the dog making all the noise last week. This is Max. He's being pretty shy right now. You say hi, Max. Say hi, buddy. Look at the camera. Look, right there. Nope, he's camera shy. All right, so this is Max, and hopefully he doesn't make any noise while I talk to you for a few minutes just about what you're doing today. So it is time to really study and get ready for your test tomorrow on Wednesday. And so you're going to see on the agenda right here, I have a link to the practice test, the answer key to that you took on Monday. And so I said, work those problems out in the practice test. You can take that unlimited times. Your goal is to get 70% or higher. To get a good grade, right? It's your study guide. You need to make sure that you're understanding the questions. And so if the practice test is done, and it should be, there's a few of you that have not finished it yet, then you should come here. So if I open this answer key up, and you have worked out problems here for you. So I took each question, obviously gave you the answer, but at the same time, showed you how each problem was done. So you're going to go through this and make sure you're good with it and you understand, and make notes if you need to. You should have used lined paper yesterday when you were doing the practice test. So if you need to make corrections, by all means, right? This is why you have it today. So you see either what you did wrong, or if you need to just add some extra work to what you already did. Okay. So once you are all set with the practice test and you've looked that over and it's submitted, here's what your time remaining is. So I did put study for your test, right? You need to get ready. And so today, you can keep going back into the practice test if you would like, and it's unlimited times that you can go through it and look at those questions. Your test will be set up very much like the practice test. So the order of questions that you saw on the practice test will be the same order of questions on your test on Wednesday. And so it'll start out with unit rates, and then it'll move into equivalent proportions, and then it'll move into proportion stories and proportional and non-proportional and such. It's going to have the same setup, and it's going to have 20 questions just like your practice test did. So know that, and so to be ready for it, that's a good piece to study is your practice test. After that, I also put in quizzes. There are 2 review games in Google Classroom. It's in the stream. So here. So you'll see solving proportion stories and then rates and unit rates. And so when you work through those are just extra practice. Again, you could use lined paper and your calculator to work those out. And you're using the web link. So it gives you 2 options. It gives you the mobile link or the web link. You're using the web link to go through and try those. Those are not a grade. It's just for you to continue to practice your problems before you take the test. Okay, coming back here. This is the same checklist I had on yesterday's agenda. And so these are all items that still need to be done by Wednesday, by tomorrow. And so you should be making sure still that all your quick checks are done and that your practice test is done. And really for both of those, you should be trying to achieve 70% or higher on those. And then the BuzzMath, the 4 lessons. So all of that completed by Wednesday. I will start entering grades on Thursday. So if you're missing anything, if you don't turn anything in by Wednesday, or the items that you were missing by Wednesday, those will stay zeros. You cannot make those up past chapter 1. So I emphasized that quite a bit yesterday. I'm going to take just a minute to talk about the test. So when you take the test on Wednesday, you'll have an hour to take it, and you shouldn't need any more than that. It's also in Schoology. You will use lined paper to work all your problems out. And also make sure on the lined paper, as you're working the problems out, that you write your answers, like the letter to the answers that you're selecting in Schoology. That's super important, just in case there's a glitch, just in case something happens and you lose your answers. You just never know with technology. I always tell my students that. So you should make sure on lined paper that you have what you're selecting in Schoology. So in case you need to go back and re-enter answers, you can. It's resumable, so hopefully you don't have that problem, but you just don't know. And then the test is only one time that you can take it. You cannot retake your tests. It's not set to unlimited times, it's set to one time. And so you have a one-shot deal on your test. And so you've got all these resources that we've provided for you to go through and study and get ready for that test. So please use those. Please study. Please be ready, because you cannot retake it. And so that'll be your first test for first trimester, is Chapter 1. So if you continue to have any questions as you are getting ready for this test during the hour today, feel free to email me. I've been getting some great emails with some great setup of the email, it's just been wonderful to read student emails that are very nice and sincere and addressed correctly. So thank you to the English teachers for doing that lesson. It's been great getting those very kind emails. So again, let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy your hour and get ready for your test on Wednesday. You will take it right away at 8 a.m. I will not have a video on Wednesday. You will just come in 8 o'clock, start your test, have that hour to take it, and that's it. So good luck on your test. I'll be thinking of you, and I will come back on video on Thursday with you guys. So see you later. Have a good day.